So this is the first opening that we have. Okay, meanwhile, if you have any question, please drop in the chat box and I'm going to answer all your questions that is related to cybersecurity. So there is a VAPT engineer job which is for freshers. So guys, those who are freshers looking for a job in cybersecurity, this is for you. July 2026, this is walking type. So you need to visit on 24th of means today and tomorrow. You need to visit 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. They are the key requirement and this is the location where you need to visit, right? So just walk with your resume and probably you might get hired. Next is cybersecurity engineer. VAPT Lucknow is the location where it's being hired. 3 to 6 years of experience required, and basically the role is cybersecurity engineer for VAPT. Right, the other knowledge which you require 3 to 6 years of experience you require information security, hands-on experience at Bob Suit, Nessus, Metasploit, and all those things is important. WAS top 10, API top 10, all those things required, and on-site work is there. So it's in Lucknow, right? And this is like if you want to apply, this is mail ID ansika.agrawal@ebc publishing.in, right? Now next opening is basically OT security engineer. 5 to 7 years experience is required. ICS, which is cybersecurity industrial, and all those things, like this is probably what you're going to do. And if you want to apply, there is a this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, and this is location, like you are going to work from Mumbai, right? Next is security analyst. 3 to 6 years of experience required. Mumbai location, immediate join is there. So like this is for SIEM, right? And responsibilities, you need to monitor Wazoo, SIM, Microsoft Defender, firewall. You need to investigate the security incident platform and all those things. They are the skills which is required, right? SIM knowledge for sure is required, and probably you'll get hired for L2 or L3, right? Because 3 to 6 experience years of experience means that the same. Radheshyam.yadav at hansresearch.com. Hansaresearch.com is the company basically. Next is again, this is what I've already shared, so you can apply. Next is SIM hiding. Microsoft Sentinel. Pune and Mumbai is the location. 4 to 10 years experience required. The other key skills. You can pause the video and you can check out exact requirement. Microsoft SC200 Splunk certificate is required, and this is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume, right? So that's what we have, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please ask in the chat box. And this is another YouTube channel that we have, Cyber Coffee, which is cybersecurity in Hindi for year. If you're looking for web listen pen testing internship, check out this question. If you're looking for SOC internship, check out this link, right? So Jai Hind.